Today in this video I will be explaining about how to do compiler design laboratories, each and every exercise step by step. First exercise is implementation of symbol table. For this exercise we doesn't need any software to be installed in our local machine. So I just copy this program and kept it in online compiler, C++ compiler. Okay, this is a C++ program. It's not a C program. You can see here I have created this program. Okay, here you can see at the end of the program, that is inside the main program, I have given one expression called if a plus b equal to 5. If it will check this expression character one by one. If it is a keyword, it returns keyword. If it is an integer, it returns integer. Okay, this is written in C program, but online compiler I compiled this. After run this program, what will be the output means, you can see here, this is the symbol table. Symbol, if symbol is a keyword, a and b are the identifiers, plus and equal are the operators, 5 is integer, it give according to that. If you change any value under your expression means it will give the output accordingly. This is the output of first experiment. Let's see what is the second experiment. Lexical analyzer to recognize the pattern. For this expression you want to install Turbo C++ in your local machine. Here you can see this is the program. You have to first save one program .c, for example lab experiment .c program. Okay, this is the program. For this program we have to give one input called f2.c. Okay, this is the input. Another C program we have given in as an input for this program. Okay, so you can see in Turbo C folder, inside bin folder I have created f2.c file. Okay, f2.c file, and save this program. And in Turbo C++ I have saved lab2.c. okay, 2.c files, one lab2.c file inside the bin folder. You have to save it inside the bin folder. Then you have to open you can see file, open means here it will list out what are all the C programs inside in bin folder. You can choose lab2.c and open. Okay, this is the lab2.c program. Already I have saved on C file. You see no f2.c. That's also inside the bin folder. Okay, we have 2.c program for this second experiment. First C program is running in Turbo C++. To run this program, we have given input as f2.c. Let's run this. You can see output written in f2.c. What it will do means, okay, what it will do means, you can see f1 folder, okay, f1 document, it will return this output automatically, like identifiers are a comma b, keywords are include std. You can see in f2 file, you can see stdio connew, next a and b the identifiers. Those things should be set by this program. Okay, a b include, then constants are 10, likewise it's saying. This is what the output of second experiment. Okay, what it does means nothing. It recognize the C program, f2.c program, and give us the output like what are all the identifiers are that. In first experiment we done inside the program itself, we give input as if a plus b, like that. For second experiment we give outside the program, that is external file f2.c. That's it, nothing big difference. Let's see the third experiment. Lexical analyzer using Lex tools. This needs some online compiler, or we have to install here also we have to install some compilers. Okay, fifth program, first one, implement control flow analysis. Let's try this. File, open, lab 5a, open, run. Here you can see this is the output, basic block, some blocks it given. Then control flow, how it works, how this program works means, first it goes for block 0, then block 1, then block 2, then block 3. After block 3 it returns null value. After block 5 also it returns null value. If the condition is true means it will go for again block 1, condition is false so it exists. Okay. Fifth A, what it does means how the program control flow, it analyzes this. Okay, fifth one B, implement data flow analysis. Here what we have done means, like what are all the data is live, it's say to us. Here you can see in the output, enter number of the values it asking. We have to enter some 4 values. Okay, first value, and right side of that a equal to a plus b, then left value b, right value a plus b, then left value c, right value a plus c b, then left value d, right value b plus c plus d. Actually there are 4 number of expressions, a equal to a plus b equal to a plus b, c equal to a plus b, d equal to b plus c plus d. After that what it says means, how many line numbers, 4 line numbers as usual, what expression we have entered it displayed. Then how the data flow analysis means, a is live at a plus b, at where which places a are live, a and b also, a plus b also a is live, a plus b also a is live, but b plus c plus d there is no live a. Okay, that's what it says. For b, all the expression b is live. For c, only last expression c is live. Okay, likewise it's saying, and then this control flow ends. This is what the expression fifth b. Here you can see file, okay, it gets struck. Let's see the sixth experiment. Heap storage allocation strategy. Here what it do means, this is the heap storage program. What it does means, you have to copy paste this program in Turbo C++ and run it. Here it gets struck. I have to type it in keyboard itself. Here what is ask means, it will ask to some operation, it will list out 5 operation, it listed out. First operation is create, second is display, then insert element, delete element, then quit. We have to enter our choice. For example, first we have to create, no, then only we can check it out these expressions. So first we create this, enter the element. Okay, how much element we are entering, 5 elements we want to enter. Fifth value of the element is 5. Then we want to enter any more elements, yes, you have to give y, then it will ask for the enter the element, we have 10, then we have 15. Okay, do we want to enter no elements means, no, if we click no means it says the list is created. And we want to display no what are the input we have given, so we give our choice as 2. It displayed as 5, 10, 15, then null. After that, you want to insert an element in a list. For example, if you want to insert the element, okay, I given the third choice. It asks where you want to insert, at head or at last. I just or it asks another option also, intermediate position if you want. I just given my choice as one, that is insert a node as a head node. So what element you want to insert, it asking, I just give 0. Okay, already it is 5, 15 and null. I want to enter it head position, I want to enter the value of 0. Let's see if it is entered or not. Here you can see 0, 5, 10, 15 null. Likewise, you can choose a choice as 2 and enter it in last, and choose a choice as 3 and enter in between. Okay, it's up to you, you can check it out. Okay, next, if you want to delete element, consider I have given my choice as 4. Okay, how it delete it, enter the element, which element you want to delete, it asking. I given just 5, value of 5, it is in the position of 2, 0, 5. Okay, position of 2. So the element present in the list, so the element is deleted. 5 is present, so it is deleted. If we given any other element, if we given 1, means 1 is not presented in the list, so it cannot be deleted. And again I inserted another element. Then I quit it out. 5, if you give your choice as 5, means it will exit the program. That's it. This is the heap storage allocation strategy. Okay, let's see the 7th experiment. Construction of DAG. In this experiment, what we have done, let's see the program. Okay, here what it asks means, first it asks for the expression. Okay, we just give them expression, just give any expression you wanted. Okay, after that, what it says means syntax tree. First it draw the syntax tree. Okay, pointer 0th position, 1st position, 2, like that it start to do perform a syntax tree. After the syntax tree, it given us the DAG, directed acyclic graph. Okay, just simple construction of DAG. Just we want to enter the expression, it will give us the syntax tree and DAG. Next, 8th experiment, implementation of code generator. How this program works means, as usual, we have to copy this program and save it as .c, and inside the turbo C++ we have to run. Now if we run this, means what it shows means, enter the 3 address code, any expression we have to enter. I entered b plus c and a star c2 expression, and I give exit, because it will ask our another expression. If we don't need to give, means we can simply exit it. Then how the code generated means, this is assembly code generated means, move r0 to b and add move, then multiple. Likewise, assembly code generated automatically. This is what the code generation experiment. Then 9th experiment, implementation of code optimization techniques. Let's see how it works. As usual, program is given. Okay, if we run this in turbo C++, means it will ask for 3 values. We have to give number of values 3. left valued ask, then right value ask. As usual in previous experiment we see no. Then V for V, B plus C. Here intermediate code means our left and right will be merged and given as expression. After dead code elimination, what's the dead code? Repetition of the expression B plus C repeated 2 times. So after dead code elimination, it merged into one expression. Elimination of common sub expression is given. After that, optimized code is only one expression it is given. Okay, that's it. This is what the ninth experiment. Okay, all the 9 experiment was explained except 3 and 4, because this 3 and 4 require some your compiler to be installed in our PC. So other than this, I have explained one online compiler experiment, remaining turbo C++ experiments. Thank you.